Another feature that we have enabled is the ability to move audio segments. So for example, here in my channel 1 audio, I'm going to create a segment here, and let's just use this as modulate for the properties. So now you have the ability to move this to a different segment, to a different area on the timeline. So all you have to do is click and hold onto that segment and just drag it. Again, just click and drag, click and drag. So it allows you to move the segment to any part on the timeline.